So one of the things that you can do in Affinity is you can go ahead and then utilize the corner tool to go ahead and choose the roundedness of any shape. So over here I have the square tool right here, and I mean the rectangle tool right here. And if I were to actually go ahead right here, you can see that I got the rectangle, and I can actually go ahead and choose the corner right here of the rectangle tool right here. But if I were to actually go around and bring in other shapes like this diamond, then you don't really have those corner tool right here. So if you want to go ahead and make the corner of this diamond shape rounded, you can actually go around over here onto the left hand side and go to the corner tool. So once you do that, you can actually go around over here and then click and drag out the corner, and you can see that you can go ahead and then let's say for example make it softer. So you can go around over here onto the corner tool, then click and drag this out right here, and you can see that you can really go ahead and make it smooth right here. You can go around over here just like this and drag it down. So no matter what the shape is, you can go ahead and then make it soft right here just like this. You can go ahead and click and drag it, and you can even go ahead right here and choose, let's say for example, the corners right here as you like. So apart from that, you can also go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto other shapes as you wish right here, and then you can go around over here onto the corner tool. Then you can go ahead and click and drag right here just like this, and then what happens is that you can simply go around over here and add in the corner as you wish. So you can go around over here, click and drag this out, and you can go ahead and click and drag this out right here. And that is how you can go ahead and add in details to the corners right here, and even go ahead and choose the type of the corner right here to get the detail as you want. And you can even go ahead right here and change the radius as you like as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the corner tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.